Racer here. Going to be putting freshened up axles in the back of the old 59 BelAir here. Going to bring you along, see what I can show you. I get this drum off. You're going to see, we'll get some light back here. Maybe. Got some light. You see back here, we got these nuts hanging in here. Those are what hold the bearing in. Bearing retainer. We'll see if I can bring you along without knocking you over. Some studs are 3/8 back there, so 9/16. Nope. So we'll get the puller set up on here. Then a slide hammer. I'm pretty sure that it's going to catch on the park brake bar in there, but we ain't to it yet. Oh, look at that. Now here you can see the studs. Got the bearing in there. We'll play in that bearing. It was time. Clean that up there a little bit. Like to put a little grease in there. And also, this bearing's got O-rings on there. That's what keeps the oil from leaking out. We don't want none of that. And the seal here seals the gear oil in. The bearing is not lubed with gear oil on this one. Lifetime gear, lifetime oiled. Sure it is. They give her a little rock back and forth to get her lined up on the carrier. We'll spin to lock into the axle splines. Get your flange lined up. Give her a little tap home. And now we'll put the nuts on the back, put the drum back on, and I'll bring you back after that. Okay, we're all back together. Got the retaining flange nuts tightened in behind. Got the drum on. Oh, by the way, I have a jack and a jack stand. Gravity sucks. Put the wheel on, torque her down, run her, torque her down again. There we are. Yeah, I probably ought to check the oil on that rear end too. We'll see you later. Like, subscribe, comment, all the above. Thank you much.